It is 1:20, and because the pace of life up here in the north is so much slower, so relaxed, we haven't even started the day yet. We're going to go on a bike ride. I need to make a Wilier, because I haven't got one here yet. But first, sausage time.
Sausages!
I actually got these shipped up here. SunGod, been waiting for these to come back in stock. And they are photochromic lenses for these glasses. So these should change in the sun, but I can still see indoors. Like I said in yesterday's video, I actually don't have a bike with me. My bike sponsor is sending me one from GCN at the moment. It's been in the careful hands of Hank. So just to keep the sponsors happy. How do you spell Wilier? There. Cool. Nice.
I'm sure there's not two L's.
There is not two L's.
How sure are you?
Mate, what kit are you wearing?
I like it. What are you on about?
Well, I did this first, and then she was like, it'll be funny if she wears the same kit. We're going to look ridiculous. Emily's going to think we're so stupid. Oh.
Let's go.
We're like the Teletubbies. Actually, they're different colours, aren't they?
Yeah, they're different colours. What's wrong? What's the problem?
You're the same height as a Teletubby.
Oh, a nice Wilier.
Thanks, mate. That was gnarly, man.
It wasn't, was it? Whoop, 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 whoop.
This Wilier bike isn't made for gravel, mate.
It actually isn't, you're right.
No, it's quite harsh. Quite harsh. So I was going to explain where we were going while riding, but it's just too off-road, so we are heading into Newcastle. We're going to stop off we're going to Backyard. We're going to stop off at Backyard, see Nick if he's there, get a coffee. It's only about 30k, but because it's off-road, it actually ends up being quite a decent ride. It is also 20 degrees up here in the north. This is like unheard of.
It's like this all the time, we just don't tell anyone.
Okay.
We've worked really hard on the PR so that people stay away.
So this is the main gravel route into Newcastle from where we are?
Yeah. So, what is it, like 16 kilometres from our front door to Backyard Bike Shop, and like 99.9% of it is off-road.
And it's nice off-road as well.
My voice quivering from the actual gravel underneath my bike. What do you want?
Don't know, mate. What do you want?
I'm gonna buy you a coffee. No,
I'll have one coffee, please.
One coffee?
2 cakes for you. Nothing for us.
Well, you lot are athletes, aren't you? And I'm the antithesis of an athlete, and therefore I've gone for double cake.
You're quite fast on a bike for someone who's an antithesis of an athlete.
I skipped lunch though, so I could have 2 cakes.
Oh. I saw you eating lunch then.
I had a double lunch actually.
Yeah, you had a little sneaky lunch
double
before.
cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, athletes aren't
I hope you chalk on it then.
We are.
I think for the next 2.5 weeks, it is 2.5 weeks you're here for now, isn't it? 3 weeks, whatever it is.
3 weeks.
I think we should wear the same outfits every single time.
On and off.
On and off the bike.
I don't think we can do that off the bike. We can definitely do it on the bike. I feel like everyone just looked at us when we came in here though. And they were like, they're probably like, why has that guy got a camera? But also, why are they dressed all the same? It's like Power Rangers.
Lots of cycling teams riding here all the time, and they wear the same stuff. We're just wearing the same stuff.
So it was the camera then?
It was definitely the camera.
Well, they just thought you were cool.
It was like, oh, it's that Francis CADE fella, that Ballon with the camera on his back.
Just doesn't want to come and ride with me.
What?
He's scared.
Oh, you're trying to get him to come for a ride?
Yeah.
He doesn't actually ride his bike.
No, he doesn't. Next Wednesday night, yeah?
Well, maybe.
5:30.
What are we doing on Wednesday? 5:30, okay. I heard all your rides involve crashing.
No, they don't. That's a lie.
Has Nick recovered from his broken rib yet?
He's not riding rough enough yet. Okay. And it's not Nick that causes the crashes.
It is absolutely Nick that causes the crashes.
No, it's not.
He does things so that people...
He was holding that GoPro out, like ready for someone to ride into.
Honestly, if I didn't want to ride with you, I would fucking tell you straight.
We now have a lovely ride back into a headwind, uphill all the way home. That pretty much sums up how I feel. We put the e-bike on the front.
It's off-road, so there's like hedges and stuff. There won't be a headwind.
What about the headwind?
It's not a thing. somewhere though, aren't I? That's it.
Did you crash? I didn't get it on film. What a waste, mate.
I checked my frame as well.
Is it carbon?
It is carbon, yeah.
New
Well,
bike,
if it's
mate.
broken or
New
not.
bike.
I don't know if crashed is the right word. I think I fell from I fell courtesy of overconfidence, I would say.
Falling with style.
There was no style.
Oh.
There was no grace, there was no style. It was, my bike was stuck mid-air. I was still attached to it. I'm not cut. I think my foot's alright. I may have gone through.
Oh no.
No, it's alright. Just gotta make my saddle not wonky.
The problem is you're riding down this trench in the middle.
Yeah.
And you're
weird,
trying to
isn't
not
it?
strike your pedals on the ground, and it just always happens.
You can't look where you are.
Yeah, otherwise your
If you
brain
do,
just
you're
goes,
like,
no, yeah.
That's my first tumble in the northeast.
Is it? We had to pick something up from the office, so while we're passing through, I'll show you something cool. We had a guy contact us after seeing Chris's National 24 skin suit, which is the flare skin suit, because it had
The
reflective
stuff,
material
right?
all down the legs, which when it has a beam of light like a car or anything like that, it like glows. So this guy is doing TCR next year and wants a couple of skin suits for that. So we basically, through Attacus Custom, recreated the flare skin suit for him.
But you can put designs over the top. Oh, it's cool.
Yeah, we wanted something that was kind of like naturally bright, I guess. And then yeah, the bottom of it just has these completely reflective panels, so it performs exactly like a normal bib short, stretchy and breathable in exactly the same way. But the way you can tell usually of how breathable a fabric is if you actually just, I'll do it with this one because this doesn't go anywhere. If you suck through it, literally, if you suck through it, it will tell you how breathable
You'll
it
do it on
is.
Chris's one.
No, I don't want to do it on that. But if you're ever buying a waterproof garment that says it's waterproof, just have a little suck of it, and if you feel air coming through it, then water's going to come through it. So it's not going to be.
Interesting.
It's very difficult to have fabric that's completely breathable and completely waterproof, because you need a complete seal for it to be waterproof.
Yeah.
And therefore you can't really get anything out. But yeah, just give it a little suck, and if it's got holes in, then it's not going to be waterproof.
Don't suck this one because this is someone else's.
No,
skin suit,
I won't suck this one.
Actually, you might be able to sell it for more.
You suck it.
So if anyone wants Attacus Custom orange CADE skin suit with reflective panels, we can do it.
Yeah, if you're doing something like TCR, you know, where you actually need to be safe. I think they have protocols in Europe where you have to wear reflective vests and stuff.
So
as
maybe
well.
that ticks the box.
Exactly.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Got stung by like a massive bee, or a wasp, or a hornet, or do we have hornets in this country? Something on the way back. My arm's on fire. Got Jimmy cleaning the bikes. He's a good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Right, I'm signing today's video off now. I have a variety of annoying things to contend with. One, my laptop has just ground to a halt, so I'm resetting the whole thing, which means I've got to reinstall loads of software and just annoying little things that will be bugging me for the next few days. But it should mean my videos will actually export quicker than an hour and a half, which has been the current situation. Also, my arm is blown up massive because I've had some sort of reaction to the bee sting or wasp sting or whatever that was. On the plus side though, we've got some cool rides lined up. I think we're going to ride over to Sunderland tomorrow, so down to the coast. Should be cool. Please stay tuned for that. Thank you as always for watching. Please like, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.